Ladies and gentlemen, how's it going? Once again, I'm Nev from Nev's Tactics, otherwise known as your friendly neighborhood basement dweller. Today I want to be checking out an ARESGAME AGV650 watt power supply. Now, the reason why I want to do a little show and tell on this thing, I want to do a stress test on it. This is a brand I haven't heard before, but it comes up on Amazon bestsellers, and it doesn't seem to have very many bad reviews. Only 2% bad reviews. That's not so bad. And as we can see here, it is the 4th best seller. So yeah, this unit came into the shop. I got her thrown on into a case, and let's take a look. As far as hookups go, this thing has everything you could imagine. You got 2 spots for the extra powerful video cards that you might run into one day. You got your dual 4-pin CPU. Now this is what I needed this unit for. This is a Xeon. There's a particular kind of plug-in up there, I believe it's 8-pin, and that's what I needed to get this for. Of course, since it's Xeon, it's going to be pulling down some extra heavy power. I'm going to put some heavy video card in it, and then I'm going to set this thing loose, mining Bitcoin, and running her for a long time, and seeing if it fries it. Here you can see the ARESGAME in the bottom right, upside down, these newfangled cases, like putting all the power supplies at the bottom. Anyways, we have, how many is that? 3 4-pin, and so many Molex. Is that what we call these things? The standard power supply. I believe we have 4 or 6 of them. 6. It's definitely 6. Look at all of these connectors. What more could you want? You have 3 Molex, 6 SATA, yada yada, who's a wazza, all this good stuff. And that's just crazy, man. As long as this thing doesn't explode on me, I'm gonna be happy with it. Okay folks, so let's just take a second here to appreciate all the excellent reasons why it's a horrible idea to get the cheapest power supply that you can find. If your power supply goes, everything goes. Just everything goes. I've heard too many stories where somebody had a power supply that was going. I had a feeling it was a power supply, and later on they heard pop, and then they couldn't get any of their pictures, and that is the worst. If you can't get Granny's pictures back, never go for the cheapest power supply. Always check the reviews, and hopefully we aren't going to have any pops going on here. But yeah, bad power supply can just kill the whole computer. Alright, got 2 video cards locked in here, running some nice hash up in this one. And 12 cents US dollars is what I'm starting with. So this is how we'll start the load test. Okay folks, so here's the update. Here's what's up. I've been running nice hash, I've been running video games, and I've been running World Community Grid on this thing as hard as I can for about 2 weeks now. Also I loaded her up with 16 gigabytes DDR3, a new video card, 3 fans, and all the RGB that I could find. And this thing's running just fine. Now I am running into a problem that I don't think is related to the power supply. And that problem is, for some reason, the audio is only giving me a lot of feedback. Or not feedback, but a lot of buzzing. I've tried everything I can. I haven't been able to figure it out. But once again, I definitely don't think that's from the power supply. Now, the power supply, of course, is locked in down here. But it's doing a good job. It's pitter-pattering away. It might not be a name that I recognize, but it has not fried my system out of 2 weeks hard use. So I think we can call that pretty much good to go. How I've gotten around the issue is I'm using USB, and that's working fine. So anyways, ladies and gentlemen, that's it from me, Nev from Nev's Tech. Like, subscribe if you like this stuff. Always appreciate it, and as always, folks, take care of each other, will you?